Hello guys, this is how you manage to repair the BMW e90 door locker. If yours does the same sound like mine, that means your locker is something wrong with it. After you unscrew these 3 screws, you have to unplug. This is from the speaker. You have to unplug this from the remote control, and afterwards you have to remove this just like that. It's click, remove the door card, and afterwards you have 3 screws, one here, and one here, and this connector, and then you can get your locker out. As you can see, I undo the screws, and there is one more here, as you can see it, that release the key holder, and afterwards you have to unscrew these and these to be able to get the locker out. This is our locker. Once you manage to get it out, gonna screw these screws, one here, one here, one here, one here, and there's one more here, and we're gonna see what's inside it, and I'm gonna show you what you have to replace to make it work again. This is how to open it. First of all, you unscrew this one, and then with a screwdriver put it here. It goes like that. You have, I'll show you something here. You push, sorry for my video quality, goes like that. This should probably go out. Once this part is out, this is okay. You have to open the rest of the screws right here. With this open, you can see easily what is wrong with yours. Firstly, we have to remove this one here. We take this out, we take this out, and here is the problem, the main problem. Here supposed to have a bolt that's broken, and also this wheel have something broken. And here we have our kit, bought online for less than $10, and you can see the difference. This is the new wheel, look how it looks. It has this one, this doesn't have. This is the new one, and this is the old one, which has this one broken. So I'm gonna start now to do it. So we have to take this one from your all part, and the spring, this one is not good anymore, put it here, and we're gonna insert the spring. Be careful with the spring not to lose it, right over here, just like that. Just like that. You put it here, and this part, it will go here. Okay, and afterwards, after we put the spring in, I already put the wheel, the new wheel here. You insert all the parts back. Be careful with the springs, and your locker should work perfectly. Once your new assembly it's put in place, we have to put this back together like that. The clips, 1, 2, one more here, and afterwards you have to put the screws back. I put mine some multi-purpose oil just to keep it running for longer. Okay guys, I'm gonna show you afterwards on the car if everything works as it should. So after I installed the locker, fix it, look, everything, it works as it should. It locks, it unlocks, the noise is gone. Now I have to put all the parts back. That's it. Hope my video helps you guys.